Have you ever met someone who instantly wants to fix a problem? For them, a broken chair feels like an interesting challenge. People who love fixing things are naturally curious. They want to understand how things work. A broken object doesn't frustrate them right away. It activates their problem-solving mindset. Their brain enjoys searching for solutions. Solving problems gives them a sense of purpose. Psychologists compare this to completing a puzzle. The missing piece keeps their attention. And when they finally solve it, they feel a strong sense of satisfaction. Sometimes this habit goes beyond objects. They also try to fix other people's problems. Helping others can feel rewarding. It makes them feel useful and connected. Every successful repair boosts their confidence. It proves they can make a difference. Positive feedback strengthens the behavior. Appreciation feels good. But there can be a downside. They may start taking responsibility for everything. When too many problems appear, stress can quickly build up. Even problem solvers need rest. Constant fixing can become exhausting. That's why healthy boundaries are important. Not every problem belongs to them. Learning to say no is a valuable skill. It protects their time and energy. Taking breaks helps them recharge. Rest is part of being effective. Many fixers are driven by care. They simply want to improve things around them. The best problem solvers also teach others. They share knowledge instead of doing everything alone. When balanced correctly, this mindset becomes a powerful strength. So if you love fixing things, remember this: your greatest tool isn't the repair, it's the care behind it.